This is a 2019 Ford Ranger XLT Super Crew, blue over black leather interior, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, satellite radio, automatic transmission, dual USBs in the front, dual USBs in the rear for your phone, electronic climate control. There's a look at the rear seat, running boards, black aluminum wheels, tonneau cover, sliding rear window, lockable tailgate, spray and bed liner, backup camera. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by a 2.3-liter Ecoboost turbocharged engine. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.